Want to boost your chess app rating, but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, we're revealing the hidden settings that pro players use to level up their game fast. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, these tweaks will give you a serious edge. We're releasing chess tips like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss the next one. Now let's jump into how you can start winning more games and climbing the ranks in no time. Let's talk about adjusting your game settings for the best experience. The default settings on most chess apps are fine, but they're not optimized for fast improvement. Here's what you need to tweak. Let's start with game time control. Do you play blitz or bullet? If you're looking for faster improvement, adjust your time settings to match the style you want to improve. Shorter time controls make you think on your feet, while longer time controls let you analyze your moves more deeply. Now let's check board theme and piece style. A lot of players overlook this, but your board theme can affect your focus. Use high contrast boards and pieces. You'll want to avoid distractions, so pick a theme that lets you see the pieces clearly and helps you stay focused during long matches. And also move confirmation. Enable move confirmation to prevent accidental moves. This setting forces you to double check before making your move. Great for avoiding blunders. Alright, let's take your strategy to the next level. Most chess apps have advanced analysis features hidden behind the settings, and this is where the magic happens. Here's how to use them. One of them is Stockfish integration. If your app allows it, enable Stockfish analysis for post-game reviews. This engine will analyze your game and pinpoint mistakes and missed opportunities, allowing you to learn from each match. Another one is game review mode. Many apps have a built-in game review that shows you the best moves you could have made. Enable it after every match, even casual games, so you can understand where you went wrong and what to do differently next time. Next is hints and suggestions. Some apps let you receive hints during the game. It might be annoying to rely on them, but when you're stuck or in a tough situation, it can help you start thinking about new strategies. Every player has their unique strengths and weaknesses, so you'll want to customize your settings to your play style. Here's how. Go to the piece movement speed. This may sound trivial, but it's not. Adjust your piece movement speed to suit your playing habits. If you're a fast player, you'll want pieces that move swiftly across the board. If you take more time to think, slow it down. And it works. Alright, check these zoom and rotation settings. If you play on mobiles or tablet, adjusting zoom and board rotation can drastically improve your gameplay. You want to see the entire board clearly at all times. No need for unnecessary zooming or awkward rotations. I found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if it's helped you. Now, let's jump to the focus mode. Many chess apps have a focus mode that blocks out notifications and distractions while you play. Enable it. That way you won't get interrupted and lose your concentration during a match. Now, let's talk about training and puzzles. A lot of chess apps have built-in tools that are often underutilized. Here's how to leverage them for fast improvement. Start with Tactics Trainer. Use the Tactics Trainer to improve your calculation and pattern recognition. Many apps let you train with puzzles that focus on key tactical themes, like forks, pins, and skewers. Spend 10 to 15 minutes a day doing this. It's a huge shortcut to leveling up fast. As you finish with that, go to Endgame Simulator and get a solid grip on the endgame by practicing with an endgame simulator. A lot of apps let you practice key positions like king and queen, first king, and more. Knowing these will give you a massive advantage in longer games. Another thing you can do is Opening Explorer. Don't just memorize openings, understand them. Use the Opening Explorer to see popular variations and learn the key ideas behind them. The app will help you know when to deviate from standard lines for a surprise advantage. Okay, now you're ready to level up your rating fast. But before we wrap up, here are a few final tips. First, play consistently. Playing consistently will help you build habits and improve. Don't just play randomly. Set a goal for how often you'll play each week and stick to it. This specific tip actually helped to my good friend to higher his level. Also, to get more experience, you can use the community by joining online communities and chess clubs within the app. Learning from others and discussing tactics is one of the quickest ways to improve. And of course, you should review your games. Make reviewing your games a habit. After every match, look at where you went wrong and use the analysis tools we mentioned earlier. Keep improving one game at a time. Alright, that's all for today. Follow these tips, tweak your settings and watch your rating climb. Let me know in the comments if any of these hidden features helped you out, or if you have any tricks of your own. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more chess tips. Until next time, keep playing, keep learning, and keep winning.